With an automatic transmission, this front-wheel drive sedan is well equipped. This Cadillac features front-wheel drive, dual front airbags, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include HD radio, a CD player with MP3, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.